before our clients step into the journey space or any sort of like psychedelic space, we want them to be optimized. And so we give them a sheet that's got optimization before your protocol begins. And this could be done before any sort of intentionally led altered state of consciousness to better yourself, whether it's for us, whether it's chronic pain or the mental health. We want you to be optimized. And so one of those nuggets is, what are we putting into our mind? Are we ingesting into our mind fake news, shady stuff on social media, drama, horror flicks, these kind of things? Probably you want to stay away from these things before, a couple weeks before even starting your protocol. So what I recommend is high vibrational stuff. Okay, so we want to take in stuff that kind of nourishes our mind and body for the good. And the go-to is scripture, Bible, religion, things like that, prayer. Those are all really good things. But if you're struggling to find something outside of that, I would recommend two different things. One is After Skool, Skool, on YouTube. And they kind of look like this. They're animations being conducted in the same time as a philosopher is giving his spiel on what's the purpose of life, growth mindset. Andrew Huberman's on here, Allan Watts is on here, Ramm Dass has got a bunch on here. These types of Marcus Arulieus, Nikola Tesla. Anyway, Carl Jung, all this stuff that's really, really neat and introspective. And that's where we're going when we take these substances, is we're going introspective because we want to get in touch with that wisdom within, right? We want to get in touch with what is our joy, what is our bliss, and how can we live more fully. And so, again, After Skool is a good one. And then I want to show you another one called the Gaia Network. And even though it's like a lot of metaphysical stuff too, but they do have really good meditations, chakra cleansing. They have meditations by Ramm Dass. They have teachings by Allan Watts, biohacking with Dave Osprey, and lots of other cool stuff that you just don't get just anywhere. And so it just gets the juices flowing about, the purpose of life, and really is very good information. It's high frequency stuff. And so the more you can ingest that into your mental state before going into the journey space, the better. I hope that landed well and everybody is being good out there. Take care, y'all.